In our family. In today's lecture, we are solving out the question related to the differential equation. Question says that solve the differential equation d square y upon dx square minus 2 into dy upon dx plus y is equal to e the power x. Solution. Solution. At first, write down the given equation can be written as given equation can be written as put the d by dx is equal to capital D. Put d by dx is equal to capital D. D by dx is equal to capital D. When we put d by dx is equal to capital D, we get d square y. Y take out as a common, then we get d square minus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to e the power x Now auxiliary equation is given by auxiliary equation is given by for finding out the auxiliary equation, put capital D is equal to m, then we get m square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. We can write down m square minus 2 into m into 1 plus 1 the square is equal to 0. It's become a proper identity of a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is, we know that a minus b the whole square. So here m minus 1 the whole square is equal to 0. When we put equal to 0, we get two roots and both roots are equal. That is 1, 1. M is equal to 1 and 1. We know that when the roots are equal, then CF is given by y is equal to C1 plus C2x e the power ax. So CF is equal to C1 plus C2x e the power x. This is the CF. Now Pi is equal to, now for Pi is equal to, write down the RHS part in numerator, that is e the power x upon the LHS part in denominator, that is d square minus 2d plus 1, d square minus 2d plus 1. When we put operate the identity says that if e the power ax in numerator and fd in denominator, fd stands for the function of d in denominator, then we can write down e the power ax upon fa. fa stands for the function of a. We can write down. Now again apply this. We see that if d is equal to 1, then 1 square minus 2 plus 1 is 0, so it's not satisfy. Now pi is equal to e the power x is as it is. We can write down d square minus 2d plus 1 is equal to d minus 1 the whole square. D minus 1 the whole square. Now we know that by the identity we know that if e the power ax upon d minus a the power n, d minus a the power n is given, then we can write down x the power n upon factorial n into e the power ax into e the power ax. Now we can solve out pi is equal to x the power n. Here the value of n is 1 when we 2, so x the power 2 upon factorial n, so factorial 2 e the power ax, that is e the power x, so e the power x. So pi is equal to, the value of factorial 2 is always 2, so pi is equal to x square by 2 into e the power x. Now general solution is given by, general solution stands for GS. Now general solution y is equal to CF plus pi complementary function plus particular integral. Here we get y is equal to first of all we write down the CF. CF is C1 plus C2x e the power x. C1 plus C2x into e the power x plus pi. Pi is x square by 2 e the power x. X square by 2 into e the power x. X square by 2 into e the power x. That is our final solution. I think you understand how we can solve out the given question by the using of the identities and the auxiliary equation. This is our final solution. Now our lecture is finished. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.